Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss how to get idle report. So in the software, the idling of the vehicles can be considered that is based on the sensor connections onto the ignition port. Where the vehicle ignition on is considered and speed is zero, then the vehicle is considered as a idle. That can be on a traffic signals or any parking area where the vehicle has been considered where the ignitions are on. So at that time consideration, the idling can be occurred. So the report information that is available in the analytic format, that is in the report, in activity and into the idle. So here we are onto the idle summary report where you can find the informations of which object have been driven by which driver, accordingly in which company and a brand the object is for, and also the IMEI number with the total distance that is traveled that will be appeared based on the filter of the date and time or from date and to date time that is selected. Accordingly, what is the time durations of the running information that has been done, that will be reflected over here into the running parameter. Accordingly, how much idling was done by the vehicle, that will be appeared, that is the time durations in an hour and a minute information. Accordingly, how many times the idling was done will be appeared as well, so that you can find the maximum information from the summary report as well. And accordingly, what was the longest idle that was done, and the average idling information will get appeared into summary record. Now, apart from that, when based on the filter selection, that is, you can filter the report based on the company as well as the branch based on accordingly with its vehicle group or a vehicle type and a brand and a model. Now, apart from that, in the case if you want to view the report based on the idle duration information, that can be viewed as well. That is in the case if you want to view the idling for a greater than equal to 5 minutes, then that can be selected, and based on that only the report will get fetched and a record will get appeared into system. So based on state and vehicle selection, the report get fetched into the software of the summary report. Now in the case when you want to view the detailed information, then you just need to double click this record, so the detailed report will get appeared onto the screen. Now the report information will give the information for which object number and a name with its IMEI number and from date and to date time information will get appeared, and with its location information, that is where exactly the idling was occurred, and a start information with the start date and time. Accordingly, what was the order that was maintained for the idling, that will be reflected in a sequential format, and accordingly what is the idle duration information will be reflected, which will be helpful in case to view the how much idling was done by the vehicle. So based on the idle duration, the cumulative idle information will get appeared accordingly based on the sum of the durations and the cumulative information. The informations of the record will get appeared. Now, in the case if you want to view the filters based on the report, that is possible as well. That is, when you select the filter, here the idle duration information get appeared as well. That is, in the case from the detailed report, you want to view the based on the idle durations, a report based on the idle duration, that can be possible as well. So based on the selections of idle duration from the report, you will find those information onto the detailed report as well. Now, based on the idling that has occurred, in the case if you want to view the point where exactly the idling was occurred onto the map, that is possible as well. When you click on the show on map, one screen will get appear on where the point will be reflected onto the map with its address location. So that will be information will be helpful in the case where you want to view where exactly the idling was done and at its location. So the point on the map with its address locations and the address information will get appeared on the map screen. So this is how the idle reports are available into software. Thank you.